Are you looking for a high income skill to build your high paying career? Guess what? In this video, I'm going to share with you one of those high income skills which could become your career full time. What is that skill? What is that ability? It is called funnel expert. What kind of funnel? Sales funnel expert. In this video, we're going to go detail into what is this funnel expert, how does this funnel work, how big companies are using it as a marketing tool, what is the payback, what are the companies, how do you become educated in funnel expert, everything coming up in this video right now. So, what is this sales funnel expert? What does this job require? Exactly kya hai ye? See, a lot of big companies actually hire the sales funnel experts who build their funnels, starting from creating the excitement from the landing pages, copies, things, from there to generating interest, right? Grabbing attention, generating interest, and eventually converting them, right? And this is the entire funnel. You might have seen a lot of ads, you might have seen landing pages, and those ads are what? Nothing but a funnel, right? So funnel is not just a tool, it is a complete strategy that somebody like an expert builds to attract more people and convert them more. But all these experts have a specific goal. And what is their goal? Their goal is to increase conversion and increase the revenue. And for this, they need to do three things primarily. Number one, analyze the sales funnel. So how does the analysis work? See, if you look at the range of tools are available to analyze the sales funnel, like for example, Google Analytics, ClickFunnels, A/B testing software. By analyzing the data and identifying the potential roadblocks, sales funnel experts can develop a customized strategy that increases conversion and revenue, right? That's number one. Number two, optimizing landing pages. This is one of the very crucial step for sales funnel expert. When you're optimizing your landing copy, your script, your design, your colors, your fonts, your offers, so many things, and you're making tweaks, small, little tweak. This is called optimizing landing page. Every optimization brings additional percentage of conversion. So it's like refine. And ultimately you start getting more and more in conversion and results. And number three, improving checkout process. So a lot of people, have you seen, you might have also done it. You go and buy something, trying to buy something, you add them into a cart or whatever, and last minute you drop out and change your mind. Why does that happen? Because there is no motivation, psychological motivation, which lacks people to go all the way in. So the sales funnel expert helps to improve the checkout process by making it smoother, easier, faster, better. So lesser the friction, faster the result. So this is the core requirement for a sales funnel expert. So sales funnel expert, the roadmap to build a successful business. You see, it's not just about the job, right? So potential of this, it could be like a 6 lakhs to even multiple lakhs you can make as a sales funnel expert. But it's not just about a career or a job. You can also make complete business out of this. Like just example, in our business, there is one funnel which generated about $1 million. And that same funnel over a period of time that went from 1 million production to multiple millions and even produced close to about 10 million. And that's why we are receiving the Comma Club awards and all. It's just the power of one funnel. As Russell Brunson, ClickFunnels founder, says, you're just one funnel away. It applies in your business as well. So when you launch your funnel in business, have an expert either as a team member, or you become an expert first and optimize your funnel, take it to the next level and grow big. Why is it important to have sales funnels in business? There are three main reasons why you need to have a great sales funnel in your business. Number one, it helps you attract right people into your business. You see, when you have higher volume coming to you, your conversion, even if it is low, you will still be able to close more deals. So first is from the attraction point of view, attracting leads. And then second is nurturing them. If you have a funnel, comes from attraction, they should go to next stage called nurture stage. This is where you keep nurturing and adding value to people through blogs, through articles, through webinars, seminar. They're still part of the funnel. And third is conversion. Now this is where you maximize the return of the investment that you made from start of the funnel all the way to convert them, right? So you optimize your funnel to get the maximum conversion. So that's why it is important to have a sales funnel in business. And according to one of the research and study done by Salesforce, they said the company that prioritize customer experience and optimize their sales funnel see an average increase of 41%. That's crazy, right? Another study by HubSpot found that businesses with well-optimized sales funnels are 2x more likely to achieve their revenue goals compared to businesses with a poorly optimized funnel. Let's talk about earning potential for business. A study by HubSpot found that businesses with well-organized sales funnels experience 23% increase in revenue on an average. Another survey by Marketing Sherpa found that businesses with well-optimized sales funnel can see a conversion rate increase up to 54%. A report by ClickFunnels, a popular sales funnel builder, a platform, they found that businesses using sales funnels can see an average order value increase of 50% and a 400% increase in leads. A study by McKinsey & Company found that companies that prioritize customer journey and optimize their sales funnel see at least 10 to 15% increase in their revenue and 20 to 30% increase in customer satisfaction. According to a report by Marketing Profs, companies that implement leads nurturing through sales funnel can experience a 20% increase in sales opportunities and a 47% increase in average order value. This is a potential. This is the potential. If you implement the funnels, if you think funnel, if you strategize and implement it, your business can go to the next level. In this section, let's understand what is the earning potential for you if you are becoming a sales funnel expert and creating a career or a job into this. Now, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, there will be a job growth of 8% from 2021 to 2031 when it comes to sales funnel expert. And this is obvious, right? Business are growing, technology growing, everybody's going online, and everything, if it's going online, everything boils down to funnels and conversions. So for sure, there's going to be high demand, right? Let me share some numbers and earning potential for you. According to Glassdoor, top 10% of sales funnel expert in India can earn over 1.5 lakh a month, while a top 1% can earn up to 2.5 lakh per month. According to the data from PayScale, the median salary for sales funnel expert in India who have 1 to 4 years of experience is around 5 lakh a year, while somebody with 5 to 9 years of experience can have up to 7.5 lakh per year. So you see, you can still have a good revenue opportunities. Even if you're a beginner, even if you're 1 to 5 years of experience, you can still make money. I still remember my story when I was learning how to be, how to build a funnel. I like, wow, I got some magical, magic stick that even if I lose my job, I can still help build somebody a funnel and I can still make a lot of money. That is the power of becoming a sales funnel expert. And a lot of people are not there, in India especially, who can do a great funnel building, optimizing, monitoring, and growing, right? So let's look at the revenue streams. What are the revenue streams if you are a sales funnel expert? Number one, freelance consulting. Yes, you're right. You can consult, and in India, as per the pay scale, the average hourly rate for sales funnel expert is about 1,000 to 2,500 rupees per hour, depending on experience and expertise. Number two, commission base. You may be an expert building a funnel, but what if you can build a commission based funnel? On an average, as per one of the studies, Commission Crowd, they said that commission rates for sales funnel expert can range from 5 to 25% of the total sale value. Now think about this. If you're helping somebody convert, let's say 10 lakhs, let's say you get 10% of it, like 1 lakh you can have in your pocket, just the commission base. That's the power. Next one, training and education. Let's say you can train people on how to build the funnel, optimize the funnel, grow the funnel. Whether you do it in recording or you do in person or you do a mentorship program, the potential is huge. And as per Udemy, they offer sales funnel expert courses. An average fee of even a course can go from 500, 700 rupees to 5,000 per course. So you can just record a course and you can even sell it. You don't even have to do live, and that also becomes your passive income. Next one, retainer-based clients. You see, you can build a funnel and say, fixed monthly, I'm going to charge a retainer. And based on the number of hours that we have, we're going to do our best. We can deliver these results. And for this, we will charge you this much. You can do that. And as per the Glassdoor, average retainer fee for a sales funnel expert in India could be from 50,000 to 1.5 lakh a month. All right, now that you learned the earning potential, what it takes, what is sales funnel expert, now, kahan se seekhein? What are the best resources to become a sales funnel expert? Now, there are many avenues you can learn from: books, webinars, courses, programs. I'm going to share with you some of the names that I recommend. These are some of the best resources, right? Sales funnel optimization includes, the learning from ClickFunnels, HubSpot, Neil Patel's blogs, the Sales Funnel Expert courses by Udemy. So just go ahead and do the research yourself and pick up one or many of the courses or programs or books and help you to build a funnel. But most importantly, make sure that you actually implement and execute, not just theoretical knowledge. Okay? So that brings me to the point: how do you get started? Where do you start? The first step is to build your skills, right? Understand how the funnel works. Number two, start promoting yourself on social media, talking about your skills. Maybe even build a funnel for somebody, just for fun, just for practice. Build it and give it out to people for free at the beginning. And then eventually, what's going to happen? Build your network and people will start paying you, start monetizing, start charging as a sales funnel expert, whether you're an employee or your business. So, conclusion, if you really want to be rewarded, stop doing other things, traditional jobs, traditional businesses. Focus on high income skills, 21st century skills, and convert that into a career. One of them is sales funnel expert. Now, if you're curious to learn what are the other high income skills or high income careers, check out the playlist and go binge watch the video. These are the foundations and pillars of high income skills. Pick which one you are passionate about and go deep into that element. This is Dev Gadvi. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up if you like it. Go ahead and share this video with all your friends who are looking to build high income skill but they don't know where to start. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.